Today we're going to be taking a look at a budget-friendly laptop which you should consider in 2025. This is the Ronin M14 from CEVN, and it's a budget-friendly minimalist laptop for everyday use. Let's take a look under the hood and see if it's actually really worth it. The Ronin M14 is a sleek 14-inch device that weighs just 1.35 kilos, making it ideal for students, writers or remote workers on the go. It's built from a mix of metal and plastic with a matte finish that feels premium, especially at this price. Bezels are thin but not ultra modern, and there's a solid selection of ports including 2 USB-Cs, HDMI and even micro SD card reader. Performance wise, you've got some really good flexibility. The base model includes an Intel Core i3 1315U, but you can upgrade it to an i5 or even an i7 1355U depending on your needs. RAM can be configured up to 64GB and storage up to 4TB using PCIe Gen 4 SSD, which is lovely to see. It's Intel integrated graphics only, so it's not for you gamers or video editors, but for productivity and web-based work, it's more than enough. You're looking at a 14-inch Full HD WVA panel which is matte coated for minimal glare. It's not colour accurate enough for creative professionals, but it's sharp and works perfectly well for everyday tasks. The keyboard is backlit, available in German, UK or AZERTY layouts, and the glass touchpad is surprisingly responsive for this price point. Battery life is good, given around 7 hours with light use. Thermal management is decent, with fan noise staying minimal under normal loads. It's almost silent, but definitely doesn't sound like a jet engine. What makes the Ronin M14 really stand out is its customizability. You can order it without an OS, or preloaded with Linux Zorin OS, or even Windows 11 Pro. Either pre-installed or just installed with a license. Support includes 24 months pickup and return, with optional extensions to 36 months. To sum it up, the Ronin M14 is a clean, configurable and affordable laptop that punches above its weight, especially for students and professionals who don't need a GPU. It's not flashy and it's not built for gaming, but for under £400 it's one of the most flexible Ultrabooks in its class. If you're looking for a no-nonsense laptop that gets the job done, the Ronin M14 is worth a serious look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop us a like and a subscription, and I'll catch you in my next tech review.